What do the babies do?
What?
What do the babies do on the bus?
I'll find it.
You're going to find it?
Not find it.
Yes, I do.
Find it.
Little's like my name. Little.
Find it.
Got it?
Find
Petals? For Petal.
Ba, ba, ba. Go, go, go.
What do the babies do? They cry.
Exactly.
Do the babies cry on the bus?
But it is very
Nursery. Nursery.
Mm.
friends hiding in the
No.
friends. Yes. Headlights.
No, 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 no.
Oh, that's good.
Hey.
My brother said I had no headlights.
Be a little monkey.
I'm afraid to say you have
That one. Mommy, that one.
headlights
Puppy.
lay eggs.
Like Caddy.
Mm.
These are eggs. That's right. Eggs laid by the headlights. No wonder my head is so tickly. I certainly haven't on. Oh, there you go. Don't worry, you've only got a few at the moment, and we should be able to get rid of both the headlights